Everyone. Today, let's see my personal collection of Mir Publishers books. So initially, we have some mathematics books like problems in descriptive geometry, and as you can see, this one is a differential equations, multiple integrals. That book. Then we have same authors, differential and integral calculus. Okay, so I kept that in the top. So I have arranged it after the video. Then you have algebra and elements of mathematical analysis. That's a very rare book. Then we have here there's a small damage. It's okay. Then we have algebra solving problems in algebra and trigonometry. Then computational mathematics, linear algebra, Voyevodine's books. That's a rare book. Also this one, algebra and fundamentals of analysis. So these are those books. So this is analytical chemistry by A.V. Pogorelov. So I have geometry also. So here we have differential and integral calculus, both volumes. Then we have lectures in geometry. This is semester 1. Then we have semester 3 and 5 also. Here this 3, this is 5. Here this is the geometry by A. Pogorelov. And this one, fundamentals of thermodynamics and heat engineering. This one, Sipkin and Pinsky's methods of solving problems in high school mathematics. Then here, high school mathematics by Yakovlev. Only part 2 is available with me at the moment. Part 1 is missing. There's a blue color one. Then Minovsky's problems in high mathematics. Then electrical engineering book. So we have both volumes of higher mathematics and problems and exercises. Then this is an interesting book, Course of Higher Mathematics by Herman Matveev and O.V. Manchurov. Then we have some little mathematics library books, so I have kept it on the top. There are some. Here, mathematics of pre-college students. Then fundamentals of quantum mechanics, problems in general physics by I. Radov. Actually, the dasiot is missing here for this one also. Then we have electricity and magnetism by A.N. Beef. Also, there is another one I'll show you. Physics 3 volumes by Selus. Then fundamentals of mathematics, sorry, fundamentals of physics by Jaworski and Pinsky. Soft's fundamentals of atomic and nuclear physics. Then problems in physics by Zubov is there. Okay. Then we come here. Then here we have selected problems on physics, Naismikov and Osanova. Fundamentals of physics also there. Then elementary problems in elementary physics. Problems and solutions. IP Gursky. Then thermonuclear stations, nuclear power station. Then A.N. Matveev's book, Molecular Physics. Then we have problems in general physics. It's by Booker. Actually, sorry, I'm extremely sorry, I can't pronounce their names correctly. Then we have a course of theoretical physics, both volumes by Companions. Then, so lots of books are here. Then we have these books, laser physics and applications. Then 4 volumes of fundamentals of organic chemistry is there. Interesting, right? So complex dynamic systems by V.S. Saichu. I have the other book also, I'll show you. Then we have, here the differential equations of thermodynamics by Saichu. So we have remotely controlled robots and manipulators. Then this is an interesting collection. There are actually, I think, 6 books. We have only volume 1 is there, volume 2, part 1 and part 2 are there, volume 3 is there, volume 4 is missing, then volume 5, part 1 is missing. Solution. reliability of machines, then motor graders. It's interesting book Antibiotics by N.S. Igorov is there. This one lasers and holographic data processing. That is a series from Advances in USS Science, I think. Then these books are the Mechanics by Sterkos. There's a small damage in the dust jacket. Then we have cotton weaving, fitting practice. Interesting, right? So we have production of oil and gas. That's interesting. Then signals and circuits by S.I. Baskakov is the practical aids for well operators. Which we could, this is microelectronic devices. This is architectural engineering. Yes. So here's solid state physics by Epifanov. This one is, let me take it out. Actually, this one students studies of mineral deposits, the installation, internal diseases. Then we have this one. This is a very big epidemiology and fundamentals of infectious diseases. Then we have, yeah, this is an interesting units of physical quantities and their dimensions. Then cybernetic metal by V. Pekalis. Then we have this chemistry, radiochemistry, because the design of earthquake resistant structures. Then we have structural mechanics by V. Kizalov. Also, rheology of polymers is there, physics problems for technicians, right? For the technician, blood coffer. Then we have wooden and plastic structures, dealing of oil and gas wells. This is the book. Pharmaceutical chemistry. So we have other so much of technical books. These are advances in Soviet science series. This is a Latin of equations of mathematical physics, biology, microbiology is there. Then steam boilers of thermal power stations, semiconductor devices. Uh, so outstanding Soviet scientists Nikolai Vavilov, the great Solar. Then other books, Ivan Sechno, Kapitsa, Three Spaces Beyond the Horizon is there. So these books are there. Selected problems in physics, fundamental laws of mechanics by I.E. Radov. Then questions and problems in high school mathematics, super book. And we have lots of science for everyone. So you can, if I want to go slowly, I'll go like this. You can pause and read. I hope it's clear. So cybernetics for living data and cybernetics today is there, operations research. Then we have zoology is there. So here there are some mathematical, yeah, sorry, outstanding Soviet scientist series. Found practice. These books are there, political bench. Sorry, this one is practical benchwork. The power systems. So aerodynamics, really only one is that the movement, mineralogy and spectrography, chemical kinetics and catalysis, the atomic nucleus. I think this one is a foreign language or some other publishers, not Mir Publishers. This is problems in calculus of one variable by I.M. Aron. Then physics of dielectric materials. So there are some small books like blazing practice, those stuff. And here we have cybernetics in electric power systems. This one selected problems in discrete mathematics. This is interesting. This is the what is this? Actually, this is propagation of radio waves. Then we have fundamentals of vacuum techniques, automobile chassis, emotions. This is geochemistry of the lithosphere. Then automatic control of internal combustion engines. So there are a lot: heat engineering, physical and plastic metallurgy of platinum metals, introduction to computers. So here there are some due mathematics library books and also probability theory steps by E.S. Spencer's there. Here it's genetic saving pulse circuits. So road and building construction, we have both volumes, gravity prospecting, organic chemistry, electrical engineering. So these are super interesting titles. I think only I have this collection in the whole world. Selected questions and problems in physics, structural design. Then we have orbits. Here, this is capital plus capital 3 volumes. The final reckoning. Then Genesis and Biosphere, 3 volumes of selected works of Lenin. Theories of surplus value, 3 parts. Focus publishers. Karl Marx, a biography, childhood of theology. Then we have there are behind also there are books, but then we are these are mostly focus publishers and rather than I will I try to put a long video. It's a small video I'm uploading to YouTube. Here there are some more books are there I have to and here. Let's see. Thank you for watching and yeah, wait for the long video. Thank you.